Hey guys, Jules Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Together We Stand by the Winans. This song is going to be in the key of A flat. Okay, so it starts off. Our opinions might not be the same, but there's so many things that are. Hand in hand we can form a chain that never can be torn apart. Together we stand, divided we fall. Let's build a bridge and tear down the wall to let us respond to our brother's call. Together we stand, divided we fall. Okay, so that was the first verse. You're going to start off with this intro. You're going to be playing a D flat major 9 with a 13 to an A flat major 9. So I like to play like the recording on the bass. Give it a little bit of an arpeggio. Then you can also add the melody from this Marvin singing. And there's also some inner fourth movements that you hear in some of the strings. Play with that. Then we start the intro. You're going to start on the F7. We'll walk up to a G minor 7 flat 5, A diminished. Okay, so after you walk up, B flat minor, E flat 9 13, A flat major 9. Back to the D flat major 9, 13. G major 7, C7, and this very unique and cool D major 9. I'm going to go to an A diminished 7, repeat, hand in hand. We can form a chain that never can be torn apart. So, E flat minor, E flat 13, 9, A flat major 9, D flat 9, 13, G minor 7, C7, all right, then walk up. Together we stand, divided we fall. Same chords we've gone through, but let's add a passing chord that's very cool. It's a D9 sharp 11, which is basically just a C augmented on top of a D7. Then you go to that D flat 9, and then da 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 da. G minor 7, C7, we fall. Then you go to the F minor 7, fall. Then quickly go to C minor 7. May you repeat. Okay, let me do that again. Together we stand, divided we fall. Let's build a bridge and tear down the wall. Let us respond to our brother's call. There together we stand, and divided we fall. Okay, so let's go on to the next section. You're going to go to the bridge. Oh, how we need one another. Oh, we can't live without each other. Oh, you're my sister, you're my brother. Oh, how I need you every day of my life. How I hurt when you're hurting. Oh, how I pray when you're burdened. Oh, and then okay, so let me walk through the bridge again. So you're going to walk. I'm singing on. So you D flat, major 9, where you can move over, do the 13. I will pray when. Then you go to F minor 7, burden all. C minor 7 flat 5. And da da da. So that movement there I really like. You're playing F9 sus4. You're playing an E flat on top of F7. Then an F7 13, which is a D minor on top of F7. Then you're playing a C minor on top of F7, which really makes an F9 if you add the A on the bass there. And then you walk up to F over A, which is B flat minor 7. So let's do that again. And you're playing this B flat minor 9. So it's maybe just playing B flat minor 7, and you play this lick here. To add the 9 in there. And then you're going to go to a D flat minor 6/9. And then F minor. Oh, how I need you. So I like F minor 9 to this awesome B flat 9, 13, sharp 11. C is just a C major. Add the second of the C on top of B flat. And add that A flat there to make it the 7th of B flat. These are great voicings here. Oh, how I need you. And then you're going to go to a D flat over E flat. Okay, so at full speed so you can see it. Oh, how we need one another. Oh, how I pray when you're burdened. Oh, you're my sister. Wait, let's see. You're my. Let me do that again. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again, but this time instead of walking up from F, you're going to walk up from A flat. Together we stand. Now we're going to the in vamp. Divided we fall. Let's build a bridge. Tear down the wall. Stand with me. I need you. So these are chords that we've already gone through. I need you every day, right by my side. Can you stay? So the only difference in this section, in the end, there's a couple of passing chords that you're going to want. So look down the corner, stand. So B flat minor 9 with me, E flat. So a passing chord to get to A flat. You just do an A7 to get to the A flat 9. You already know this passing chord to get to the D flat. I need you every day. And then when we go to this G, we're actually going to switch the C7 to a C7 sharp 9 sharp 5. Walk up, and then before you start over, you're going to go to this passing chord, a B9 13 sharp 11. At full speed, the whole section looks like. God knows I need you too. I need you every day. So stand by my side. Oh, can you stay with me? Beautiful song. Together we stand. Hey guys, thank you so much.